recently, and I told you I'm so happy to see you do so much work yet again, and it's good to see you in a theatrical release as well. Talk to me a little bit about this association and working with such a massive ensemble cast. How's that been for you?
Well, this is the first time doing comedy. This is the first attempt, and that to be part of something which is so huge. You know, Houseful is known. I mean, it's one of the biggest franchise, and then Sajid, and it's one of the biggest producers and biggest star cast. You know, very overwhelming. And honestly, jo mere saath baithe hain sab, like stalwarts of comedy. I was so nervous. I can't tell you मैंने कितनी बार कहा कि I'm so nervous. But I just want to thank actually Tarun, my director, who's cast me in this. You know, he thought of me for the part, and everybody. Yeah, I was so nervous. I can't tell you, but it's come through. I think acha hua hai. That's what I've heard from Sajid. I've not seen the film, but yeah, really looking forward. Very nervous, but excited.
हाँ जी, on your left, यहाँ पे पूरी टीम को. हाँ जी, यहाँ पे सर, अभिषेक सर, अक्षय भाजी. अभिषेक सर, मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले congratulations to the entire team of Houseful 5. This looks hilarious. Expectations से ज़्यादा निकला है. And अभिषेक सर, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. I think it's a home.
तूने expectation से कम क्यों रखे थे?
सर वो बाद में बताएंगे. Okay, Abhishek sir, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. It looks like a homecoming moment for you because Houseful franchise में आप फिर से enter करते हैं. You're working with Tarun Manskani again after Dostana. Tell us about that. And comedy, क्योंकि आपने जब comedy के we enjoyed it a lot. Please tell us about your experience for Houseful 5. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें मिल के Houseful 5 आपके साथ आ रही है. Comedy में re-entry, तरुण के साथ वापस से काम कर रहे हैं. Third part के बाद आप आ रहे हैं.
जी.
तो बताइए सर.
नहीं, जी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. First of all, to Sajid, congratulations on 75 years. It's truly momentous. I don't know many studios that have made it to 75. And I think reaching 75 is a milestone because it's a testimony of his love that he has towards our industry. Coming to Tarun is family. Tarun and I have known each other since we were 16. And I had the pleasure of being in his first film, Dostana. Working with him is always wonderful. It becomes a holiday for me because you know that Tarun is going to take care of everything. And I'm just so happy that he's back to working. I think he's an amazing talent. And especially in a genre like this, I don't think there's anybody better than him. And I mean this with humility and respect to all the other makers. And I really hope that he continues to work a lot more frequently. Coming back to Houseful, it's, yeah, like you said, it's homecoming. I mean, all of these guys are my friends. And it feels so nice to be able to go on a set which is happy, which is loving, which is collaborative, and it was just a sheer pleasure. I'm very thankful to all of them for their love and for giving me this opportunity.
Sajid sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है. Sajid sir, अक्षय भाजी ने कई बार ऐसा कहा है कि मल्टी स्टार जब बोलते हैं कि दो लोग साथ में काम नहीं कर सकते या कुछ ऐसे हैं जो मेरे साथ भी मतलब दो लोग मैं करना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मिलता नहीं. यहाँ पे आप एक फ्रेंचाइज को 15 साल से चला रहे हैं और इतने सारे टैलेंट्स हम एक साथ देख रहे हैं. ये मैनेज करना इजी नहीं होता जब इतने बड़े-बड़े स्टार्स हो. टेल अस अबाउट दैट बिकॉज़ कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा टीम एफर्ट भी लगता है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस भी होता है, ईगो भी आते हैं, बहुत कुछ होता है. टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
आई फील दो जन लाना बहुत मुश्किल है, बट अगर दो से ज्यादा है तो फिर मुश्किल नहीं है. इतने हो तो देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड आई थिंक टाइम विल चेंज. पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. पीपल वांट मोर इन द थिएटर. दे वांट दीस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स टू हैपन. एंड वी हैव बीन डूइंग दिस. आई हैव बीन लकी. माय ग्रैंडफादर स्टार्टेड इन 1950. And his first film released in 1955, Inspector. And from then we made multi-starrer like lots of films, Yarana, Parvarish, Shaad Ki Safai, Ramkur Ka Lakshman, Bhaiyo To Aisa. All these films which family made, they were all multi-starrers, and I think this time will come back. What Akshay sir is saying, absolutely right, but things are changing now. You can see the impact this film has all over the world, and I think this will be a good precedent for the future.
Hi guys, Nawaz Kochra here, this side. Yeah, so firstly congratulations for the trailer, it's looking quite spectacular. Tarun sir, my question is for you. So, you know, directing a film after 12 years, taking a franchise which is so celebrated and bringing a story that is so loaded with laughter. Were you nervous firstly? Secondly, you know, being the captain of this cruise, what were the challenges? Overall, in general, you know, also because the franchise has so much of expectations that come with it?
I wasn't nervous after 12 years also because I don't put it too much into my head that this is what I have to accomplish or not accomplish. We're here to make a film and have fun with it, and that's it. And as far as handling everyone is a piece of cake except for Chunky. Always late, never wore his mustache, you know. Other than that, everything was fun. We had a great time. The ship was the best fun to shoot on. Even though it was rocking, we had a storm and we had all of those problems. We kept shooting through it all, so we had a blast. And I didn't feel the pressure of having this cast for even one day at all.
Hello, everybody. This question is for my friend Goli. Goli, this way, here, right here, Bharti.
Bharti.
Simple question to you, Goli. Who killed you? Who killed Ranjit?
If I knew that, I would let him kill. The whole of my life I've been killing, you know. And in this picture I was thinking that most of the people say Ranjit is the killer. But I was not the killer.
Hello, on your right. Hi, this is Diksha from Filmi Gyan. So my question is to Jacqueline. Jacqueline, the cast is huge. Hi, the cast is huge. Who's the biggest prankster on set? Who pranked you the most?
There are so many suspects.
I think
Nana, sir, who is it? The biggest prankster.
Come on, Jacqueline, the man in the white suit.
तेरे साथ प्रैंक किया था, मैं मराठी में बात कर रहा था. इससे बड़ा प्रैंक मैं कर नहीं सकता तेरे साथ. तू कशी आहेस? सांग बघू. तू कशी आहेस?
Badiya.
छान आहेस म्हण.
Chanas.
बरं. यांच्याबरोबर मराठीत बोलत होतो मी सगळ्यांशी. त्यांना बोलता येत नाही, हिंदी सुद्धा नीट येत नाही. तर त्यामुळे ती गंमत असायची. सगळे इतके छान होते आणि सगळ्यात इन्सिक्युरिटी नाही आहे. इनसिक्योरिटी होती है ना, जैसे बोला साजिद ने कि 2 होते तो इनसिक्योरिटी. अभी 18 लोग हैं तो वो इनसिक्योरिटी बढ़ गई ना हमारी. इसमें थोड़ी तो इनसिक्योरिटी बहुत कम थी हमारी. सभी ने मिलजुल के काम किया है. कभी ये बड़ा या ये छोटा ऐसे कोई बात थी नहीं है. और वो संभालने वाला सबसे बड़ी बात है तरुण की. अक्षय हो या और कोई हो, अगर कोई ज्यादा करता है तो नहीं भाई ये नहीं चाहिए, ये बोलने की औकात है उसमें. सबको पकड़ के लगाम बराबर उसने खींचे हुए थे सबके. तो वो उसकी वजह से बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बन गई. वो लगता है कि नहीं ये सीन सबका है, एक का नहीं. एक कोई ऐसे बड़ा होता है ऐसी बात नहीं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Can I?
वसूल की. आजा बेटा, सुबह आते आईटी, ऐसे दोपहर को नहीं आते आईटी वाले. और वसूली किसी ने नहीं की, सबने अपनी अपनी आई फील एवरीबडी टेक्स द प्राइस दे डिजर्व, नॉट अ रुपी मोर और नॉट अ रुपी लेस.
Hi, this
वसूली
is-
गोलमाल में है भाई, ये हाउसफुल है.
Hi, this
लेकिन
is
तू है,
Alice.
तू घर से एक सवाल लेके आता है हर बार. एक सवाल.
क्योंकि यहाँ पर रेड 2 के जो सबसे
हाँ पूछो बेटा.
तकरीबन कितने पैसे लिए होंगे आपने साजिद जी से हाउसफुल 5
बेटा
के
अगर मैंने पैसे लिए होंगे तो मैं तुझे क्यों बताऊंगा? तू हमारा भतीजा लगता है जो तुझे बताऊंगा. हाँ मैंने पैसे लिए, बहुत अच्छे खासे लिए. फिल्म बनी बहुत अच्छे खासे बजट में बनी. बहुत मजा आया। आज खुशी का दिन है, तूने अपने रेट डालना है तुझे?
वो तो रितेश जी
हाँ? छोड़ना, चलो आगे नेक्स्ट।
Hello.
All right, we'll take one last question, ladies and
Hi,
gentlemen.
this is
Yeah.
Alice Peter from
Hi, Sajid.
Mamarazi. Hi.
मैं उपमा हूँ
Hi,
हमारे
yeah.
टाइम से।
Okay.
कर लेंगे, पूछिए ना आप, आइए।
Hi, this is Alice Peter from Mamarazi. Fardeep, my question's for you. You've come back after a very long hiatus, and you've selected roles that have been very different from the other. With an audience this critical, they've showered a lot of love, and it's pretty warm as a response. How does it feel to not only receive this kind of a response, but also the love that you're receiving for exploring roles after a comeback?
When I think of coming back, it feels like a second coming, I guess. In my case, you could argue it's a third. But to be received and met with love, respect from my colleagues, curiosity and appreciation is something I'm extremely, extremely grateful for. To make a comeback after a period of 12 years is not something you can really plan. I just prepared for it. All I knew is this is what I know what to do. I missed being on set. I missed part of telling stories. I missed, the connection that takes place between the people you work with on a very human level. And that is very special and very exclusive to this profession. And finally, for me, this will be my 4th release in just over a year. And to have it with Houseful 5, the greatest comedy franchise, the most successful comedy franchise in Hindi film history, which brings everyone together through joy, through love, through madness. For me, it just feels like a celebration of this process or this comeback or however you want to phrase it. So having said that, I'm just extremely grateful to all those who have believed in me, who thought I had a few rounds left, who've given me an opportunity to work with, this kind of talent, and especially to Sajid. It's the second time we're working together, and I felt very much at home, and he's a true brother and a well-wisher, and extremely grateful. And congratulations to you, your company, and 75 years, and to everything that you do, and wish you continued success. Lots of love, brother.
Hello. Yeah.
Rahul sir, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. ये यहाँ complete कर लेते हैं.
सर पहले
जी,
तो congratulations. मैं उपमा हूँ हमारे टाइम से। पहले तो मुबारकबाद आप सब लोगों को। ट्रेलर बहुत मज़ेदार है और मेरी दिली शुभकामनाएं है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करे, क्योंकि ये हमारे समय की, हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक ज़रूरत भी है। आप सब अग्री करेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारा जो बॉलीवुड है वो उस तरह से उतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा है जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं या जो पहले किया करता था। अक्षय, आप भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं, साजिद आप हैं, अभिषेक, रितेश, आप लोग भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं। कहाँ आपको लगता है कि कहीं हमसे चूक हो रही है किसी मायने में? कुछ कोर्स करेक्शन की जरूरत है? आपसे पूछा, अक्षय आपसे पूछा।
We have to evolve and grow every time. And I've been here last 37 years. और हर 5-6 साल में ये feeling आती है कि it's going to shut down. So this shutdown gives you a feeling of always working, and this is how we've done 100 years of film industry, and 75 years we've been part of it, and we've been only hearing कि अब ये last 7 साल है, अब creative content खत्म हो गया है, अब. So I think so this helps us to grow more further. जितना we hear this statement कि अब content खत्म हो गया, and सबसे easiest, that's why I realized कि सबसे best है कि Houseful का board ही बाहर लगा दो. So that is why Houseful came in. So everywhere जहाँ लगी होगी, एक चीज तो पक्का है, हाउसफुल का पोस्टर तो लगा होगा. किसमें? नहीं, जरूर स्कोप की तो जरूरत है, इसलिए सर्वाइविंग एवरी डे, चाहे आम जिंदगी हो कोई दूसरा हो, वी हैव टू वर्क एवरी डे, एंड एवरी डे वोंट बी अ विक्ट्री, बट वी हैव टू फाइट एवरी डे फेस यू ऑल आस्किंग अस कि क्या हो गया आपकी इंडस्ट्री को. वी बीन डूइंग इट लास्ट 75 years, and the next 75 years we'll be doing that. We'll be asking and replying to all of you all कि why we are not doing well, but ये चलती रहेगी और चलती रहेगी.
हेलो
guys, hi. I'm right here. First of all, congratulations to each one of you. The trailer was really good. I am Kavisha from Bollywood Helpline. Shreyas, my question is to you. आपकी अभी एक हॉरर कॉमेडी रिलीज हुई है कपकपी. So after that हाउसफुल 5 का आना, do you think इन दोनों मूवीज में ऑडियंस कहीं ना कहीं कंपैरिजन करेगी कि किसकी कॉमेडी ज्यादा रही है, किस मूवी ने ज्यादा हंसाया है? What do you think?
मैं यस साजिद भाई आई एम स्कैर्ड बट नहीं ये तो बात होगी ही ना. सिंपल सी बात है, दो अलग अलग फिल्में, अलग अलग टेक्निकली जॉनर कहिए, तो कंपैरिजन तो होगा ही. और कोई एक चलेगी एक नहीं चलेगी, कभी कभी दोनों चलेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल, लाइक साजिद भाई जस्ट मेंशन्ड कि इतने सालों से ये चलता आया है, आगे भी चलता रहेगा. एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग इन द इंडस्ट्री, दैट यू कीप ट्राइंग. Certain things work, certain things that probably you're not even expecting end up working, you know. So I feel I'm very happy and blessed to be still here, working with the best of talent that we have in the industry today, and being a part of the biggest comedy franchise, Houseful 5. मैं भी 12 साल बाद कर रहा हूँ Houseful, you know. So but I'm just very happy and glad to be a part of this. So yeah, that's how it is.
All right,
Also
it's time
one
to
more
wrap this
question.
up. One last question we're taking, yeah? Ji, where is it?
Hi
Ji,
Nargis, Anita here from India Today.
Wow.
On your left. Hi. It's been a while since we saw you in a full-blown Bollywood entertainer. How was it coming back to this madhouse, Houseful 5? You know, it's been a long time since we saw you.
Mic on.
It's on. It's just so much emotion inside, so much excitement. It's kind of funny how this happened to me. It actually happened here in an elevator because I met Sajid sir after watching a movie. And I said, hey, I miss you. We should work together again. And then he called me and he's like, hey, Houseful 5. I said, this is amazing. And I feel like it's a great comeback because I'm back and I'm excited to work again. Yes, I was away for a bit, but it felt really good. It felt like a family. And everyone's so warm and loving, and I've never seen so many people get along. Because that's really weird. Like a lot of people, yeah, right? Like everybody got along. Everybody, the girls got along. Oh my God. And I never seen girls get along in my life, but us girls got along. We were supportive. We were laughing. We were having fun, right? So it feels great. I'm so happy that you called me. I'm so happy. Thank you. You're amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that
Chunky,
question. One, yeah,
Chunky.
of course. Come.
Chunky, one question.
One last
for
question
Chunky.
we're taking from here. Chunky sir.
Hello, one question.
Sir, आखिरी
for
सवाल.
Chunky. Hello.
आखिरी पास्ता जी के लिए
Thank you.
आखिरी सवाल.
Thank you very much.
I have a
Okay.
question for Chunky.
Yes. Hi, Bharti.
We'll do a picture.
Hi,
One last
hi.
question we'll take.
Chunky,
Ji,
how
thank you
did
so much.
Pasta come about, and did you think it's going to last this long?
Never. This is only the love of Sajid Natyadwala for this character, and we have a special deal going on the side with Akhri Pasta, and a lot of contribution from Akshay, Ritesh, and all the boys who've been with me since Houseful 1. And anyway, by the way, the releases got postponed by a month because of special effects. I'm a jerky. Thank you for being here. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's all we have for you. We'll do a quick picture with the entire team.